What's up, guys? This is Philly Swords RC. Radiolink Remote RC4GS 2.4 gigahertz. Just remember, when you're installing receivers, always the servo go on channel 1, the throttle on channel 2. Usually if you got an E-brake, I usually put it on channel 3. My lights go on any channel. Let's get started. Start it off. Take off the receiver cover using a 2.0 hex. And then for the antenna, use a 1.5 hex. Placing my Spectrum, which this is a good receiver, but I want it bonded to one controller. Now I got it all installed. What you want to do at first is cut your radio on, and cut the vehicle on. See, there's a switch right there. What you want to do is take something, hold that switch for about 2 seconds. Activate the gyro feature. Hit it 1, 2, 3, and then hold and release. Then it turns a solid red. And then see it hooked up. Now you can put it back together, put the receiver cover on, and place the wires wherever you want to place. The controller takes 6 AA batteries, or you could take this off and then put in a LiPo battery. It has the connectors right there. The kind of connectors it takes. Let the receiver on. Cut the car one. Whenever you change a receiver out, you should always calibrate your car.